So today, instead of working on the drift cars, we're working on the grocery getter Honda. This is a EX model with a D16Y8 VTEC. I have done general maintenance and then put an intake and a catch can on, all out of necessity. So this was a $30 cap and rotor set. Got plugs and wires, which fixed some bogging that the car had. Now, to the intake, I used two 90-degree pipes that I had laying around with an old filter that I had laying around. And there's three inlets on the factory intake. I have rerouted the catch to the can, and then the vacuum source for that underneath, and that runs to this guy here, which pulls vacuum from the manifold. So it's a properly working system. Pulls vacuum, pulls crankcase pressure. Yeah, anyways, and then for the intake air temp sensor, I just drilled a 1/2 inch hole and put a 1/2 inch outside diameter hose in there that's nice and tight. And yeah, on top of that, I deleted the coolant line that was attached to the original breather line, this guy right here. Now this is big and bulky and it's annoying, and coolant runs through these here. I just took it out and rerouted the line from the throttle body to the water outlet down there. Instead of it coming up to the top here, this is where you might get bubbles in your coolant system. So now there's no chance of bubbles. So yeah, there's a minor upgrade to the Honda. It's not going to change much of anything except the intake noise. There's going to be a really nice lawnmower sounding intake noise. So yeah, there you go.